Hello student, how are you? As you know that we are learning second unit, the basic materials and metallography. So this is our I can say fifth video. In the previous video, we have seen introduction, classification of engineering materials, ferrous material, non-ferrous material. Okay, so we have seen non-ferrous material in the previous material. So we continue with the next PPT. Okay, we have seen in last time we have started with the non-ferrous material. Last time in the last video we have seen that non-ferrous materials are those material which contain a metal other than iron as the main element. So iron is not the main element in non-ferrous metal. Okay, various kinds of non-ferrous materials are non-ferrous alloys are copper and its alloys like brass, bronze, aluminum and its alloys. Non-ferrous metal are copper and its alloys. Copper is one of the most widely used in non-ferrous metal. Various elements are added to copper to improve and add some properties. Then copper and its alloys properties, you have seen that in last lecture. Types of copper alloys are brass, bronze. Okay, brasses are nothing but these are the alloys of copper and zinc. Okay, and we have seen the advantage of that, limitations in last time. Bronze means alloy of copper and tin. ये भी देखा था हमने कि now in this video we will see the non-metals. We started with this in the last video. We will continue with the main content of today's lecture, non-metal. Nowadays use of non-metal is increasing in the industry because of the following properties. They are having low density, they are light in weight. Use of non-metal provides flexibility in the design. They have high resistance to heat and electricity. They have low cost. सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है, they are low cost, low density, light in weight. These are the main properties of the non-metal. They are commonly used non-metals are plastic, ceramics, composite. Plastic is one of the example of the non-metal. Large group of engineering materials which have increasing importance in the industry are composed of natural, synthetic, organic polymer. That is plastic. Nowadays, in some of the applications, metal and wood parts are replaced by plastics. Okay. In most of the application, plastic is replacing metal and wood, which have satisfactory properties and may be produced at lower cost. Okay, so we can produce any part at a lower cost as compared to the metal and wood. So where most of the time plastics are used. Plastics are molded into any required shape easily by the application of pressure and heat. For example, toys, chairs, refrigerator equipments, and radiator fan, etc. The plastic can be cast, rolled, laminated, and machined easily. The word more means unit. Monomer stand for a single unit, and polymer means many units joined together by chemical reactions. So that is a polymer. Polymer means many units joined together by chemical reaction. Plastics. Characteristics of plastics or polymer: low density and weight, high corrosion resistance, low thermal, mechanical and electrical properties, low coefficient of friction, excellent surface finish can be obtained by using plastic. It can be produced in different colors. Okay, so that's why plastic component looks attractive, because it can be produced in different colors. It can be produced with close dimensional tolerances. Okay, close dimension tolerance can be achieved by using plastics. It has good moldability. It can be molded easily. It is more economical than metals. Okay, these are the characteristics. Okay, limitations: it has low strength. Okay, obviously it has low strength and rigidity. It has poor tensile strength. It has poor temperature resistance. It has short type life. It has poor dimensional stability. Okay, so it has a short type as compared to metal. It has a low strength and rigidity as compared to metals. Okay, plastic types of plastic or polymer: thermoplastic or thermoplast often. So what is the character of thermoplastic? They are softened when heated and hardened when cold. Thermoplastic means they can be softened when we heat them and hardened when cold. Thermosetting or thermoset: softened when heated and permanently hardened when cold. Okay, so we can say that thermosetting plastic when heated, what happens, and permanently hardened when cold. So they can become soft when heated and permanently hard when cooled. After heating, what happens when we cool them? They will sit permanently. The shape cannot be changed. Okay, that's why they are called as a thermosetting. Means therm means heat, setting by heating. So after heating, they will set the permanent dimension. Okay, they cannot be recycled. Thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastics polymers soften when heated and harden when cooled. These types of polymers are soft and ductile. They have low melting temperature and can be repeatedly molded and remolded to the desired shape. Okay, they can be recycled a number of times. They can be repeatedly molded and remolded. These polymers are easily fabricated by the simultaneous application of heat and pressure. Okay, are easily fabricated by the simultaneous application of heat and okay. Thermoplastics. Okay, applications. This type of plastic are used in electrical installations, toys, machine cars, musical instruments, fuel container coatings, hoses, photographic films, bottles, gasket, packings, refrigerator part, floor tiles, plastics. Some of the commonly used thermoplastics are polyamide, polytetrafluoroethylene, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, it is general term, PVC pipes we can say, polypropylene, polyethylene, etc. are the example of thermoplastics. Okay, this is the application. Thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting polymers become soft during first heating and become permanently hard when cooled. And this type of polymers cannot be remolded or reshaped by subsequent heating. Okay, we cannot recycle the number of times. We cannot remold it. This type of plastics are generally more stronger, harder, brittle, and resistant to heat and solvent than the thermoplastic. If they are heated to high temperature, decomposition and degradation of polymer take place. Application of these plastics are this type of plastics are used in telephone receivers, electric plugs, radio and TV cabinets, camera parts, automobile parts, switch panels. Some of the commonly used thermosets are phenolic epoxies, aminos, urea formaldehyde, and melamine formaldehyde, unsaturated polyesters. Okay. So for this video, we'll stop here.